Mastering Business Interruption Insurance. You'd better know who can alter your insurance policy, and how, before it's too late. Who is authorized to request changes to my business interruption insurance policy mid-term, and what is the process for submitting these changes, as well as understanding any potential implications they may have on my policy's terms and premiums. In the context of business interruption insurance, policyholders may need to request changes to their policy mid-term due to various reasons such as changes in business operations, management, or ownership. Only authorized individuals or entities can request these changes, and the process for submitting these changes involves specific steps to ensure that the policy remains valid and effective. Authorized parties. The following individuals or entities are typically authorized to request changes to a business interruption insurance policy mid-term. 1. Policyholder or insured. The business owner, company, or person named as the policyholder or insured on the policy can request changes. 2. Authorized representatives. Individuals or entities authorized by the policyholder, such as a business partner, CEO, or CFO, can request changes on behalf of the policyholder. 3. Insurance broker or agent. The insurance broker or agent who facilitated the policy purchase can also request changes on behalf of the policyholder. Process for submitting changes. To request changes to a business interruption insurance policy mid-term, authorized parties can follow these steps. 1. Review policy documents. Before submitting a request, review the policy documents to understand the terms, conditions, and any specific requirements for making changes. 2. Identify the reason for the change. Determine the reason for the requested change, such as changes in business operations, management, or ownership, and be prepared to provide supporting documentation. 3. Complete the request form. Obtain and complete a request for change form from the insurer or broker, providing all required information and supporting documentation. 4. Submit the request. Submit the completed form to the insurer or broker, along with any required supporting documentation, such as revised financial statements or business plans. 5. Review and approval. The insurer will review the request, and if approved, will issue an endorsement to the policy reflecting the changes. 6. Understand the implications. Upon approval, the policyholder should review and understand the implications of the changes on the policy terms, premiums, and coverage. Potential implications of changes. When requesting changes to a business interruption insurance policy mid-term, policyholders should be aware of the potential implications on their policy. 1. Premium adjustments. Changes to the policy may result in premium adjustments, either increasing or decreasing the policyholder's premium payments. 2. Coverage changes. Changes to the policy may affect the scope of coverage, including the types of risks insured, coverage limits, or deductible amounts. 3. Policy terms. Changes to the policy may alter the policy terms, including the duration, coverage period, or requirements for business interruption claims. 4. Insurer approval. The insurer may approve or deny the requested changes, and policyholders should be prepared to provide additional information or documentation to support their request. In conclusion, authorized parties can request changes to a business interruption insurance policy mid-term by following the specified process and understanding the potential implications on the policy terms and premiums. It is essential for policyholders to carefully review and understand the changes before submitting the request to ensure a smooth and effective transition.